Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Start by scanning baseboards and floor seams within 5 feet of entry walls. Move slowly and look for an unusual gap or a hairline seam. Use a bright flashlight held low to reveal shadow lines and texture changes on wood or concrete. Tap areas around closets and utility panels, listening carefully for a hollow sound that changes pitch. Measure 12 inches from door thresholds and along walls to check for a recessed seam where a hatch often sits. After you detect a likely seam, probe gently with a flat tool no longer than 12 inches to avoid damage. Press along the line and feel for movement, then repeat taps to confirm hollow resonance. Mark the 4 corners with painter's tape, spaced within 1 foot to outline the potential hatch. Inspect closely for fasteners such as screws, latch plates, or a recessed finger pull that indicate a removable panel or cellar access. Keep a note of any insulation or trim that may conceal. Put on gloves and eye protection before attempting to open the hatch to guard against debris. Place a flat pry bar at a 30 to 45 degree angle under a marked edge and lift slowly to prevent splintering. Move along the seam, prying evenly at 6 to 8 inch intervals until the panel loosens. If the hatch weighs more than 25 pounds, have a second person support it or use a prop to secure it while you work. Inspect hinges and hardware before fully exposing the opening.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.